celebrating literature in the third edition of Orange City Literature Festival. On this gracious occasion, I honor the presence of all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. But before we begin with all the fun, excitement and learnings, on behalf of Team Orange City Literature Festival, I would like to pay homage to Padma Vibhushan Shrimanta Babasaheb Purandare. Babasaheb Purandare was the chief guest of our first edition in 2019 and shared his words of wisdom with all of us in spite of his age. We feel honored and fortunate to have started the journey with his prestigious blessings. From then till now, when we are in the third edition, we have witnessed a meaningful transformation. We just initiated the concept, but the value that it creates is all because of each and every person directly or indirectly associated with the festival. In our first edition, people asked, why are you trying all this in this city? That time I had an entirely different answer. To be honest, I was not very prepared to answer that at that moment. But today, people do not ask why. They say, wow. It gives real happiness and satisfaction when your initiative gets recognized and those who witness it feels like being a part of it. I can only say Orange City Literature Festival is a property that our team is trying to groom for the city, and it is open for all. It is all about books and we. Gulzar Saab said, किताबें झांकती है बड़ी हसरत से, महीनों अब मुलाकातें नहीं होती, बड़ी बेचैन रहती है किताबें. In this era of Kindle, online blogs and mobiles, this is something we all miss. Those were the days when we were in love with the smell of the pages of the new book. Still, people like me would prefer reading with the hardcover. Yes, this digitalization increased the readers, but books are still waiting. Again, as Gulzar Saab says, किताबें मंगाने, गिरने, उठाने के बहाने रिश्ते बनते थे. Literature Festival is an honest try to get the reading in mainstream and enhance the relationship with the books and by the book. My special thanks to chief guest of event today, Shri Shatrughan Sinha, and guest of honor, Shri Ismail Darbarji, for accepting our request for today's function. I am thankful for the support extended by Dr. Rajan Velukar, Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai, Shri Pawan Sinha ji, Shri Pushpendra Kulshetra ji, Mrs. Varsha Manohar Madam. In these 3 days, we will be experiencing the celebration of words with 130 sessions online and offline. I am overwhelmed with the response to this festival from the authors, publishers, and participants, and want to express my gratitude to everyone. This is something that I can never express in words, although this is the celebration of words. And maybe that is the reason I am falling short of words to express, especially in front of the legends present here. All I can say is the next 2 days will bring many exciting opportunities to learn, discover, and create while we together celebrate this festival of words. Thank you.
Subscribe to Nation Next YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from Nation Next. Also like Nation Next Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.